This is one of more the least favorite in the ColourPop 9-pan palette family. I can't even get it out. This is probably my least favorite in the ColourPop 9-pan. This is probably my... Hello, it's T here, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I have a 3 looks, 1 palette for you. I'm just going to do a mini little intro, and this is the Shayla times ColourPop. This was her second collab, and this is the Proceed with Caution 9-pan palette, and those are the colors in there. In the looks coming up, I used all of the colors, I believe. I really like this palette. The yellow in here is really, really beautiful. This might be my least favorite in the ColourPop 9-pan family. And not because it's not awesome, it really is. If you really gravitate towards these colors, that's great. This yellow is amazing, so I'm in love with that. And I really like this cream shade too. These 2 shimmers are really nice. I have this color, and these 3 colors on the top of my eyes today. I have hooded eyes, so it is going to be a little bit of transfer no matter what, which is fine. I just go in and blend a little bit, but this is what I have on my eyes today. I think this is a great palette. If you love this color scheme, I would say scoop it up, but if not, there's some other 9-pans that I would suggest over this. I've been running through all the 9-pan ColourPop palettes that I've been doing. I'm doing 3 looks, 1 palette. I am thinking about actually doing a video where once I review them as is, that I kind of change the colors a little bit, because these are magnetic and you can do that. So if you want to see a video on me sort of making them more to my liking and customizing them, put that down below and I'll film it for you. But yeah, so that is the Proceed with Caution. You will see the looks coming up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.